So what we are trying to do with all this, is actually awakening the fitrah, right? As we know that the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us that everyone is born on this natural state of fitrah where they can recognize Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, okay? And we'll talk a bit about this at the end as well, so I don't want to spend too much time on this, but I'll go back to the earlier slide that I skipped. Okay, this is what I want to show. So mind, intellect, as you can see here, is one way of learning the truth. It's not the only way, because someone can come with an interesting argument and prove to you that 1 equals 2. Like you are seeing a mathematical proof on the screen that actually mathematically establishes to a common person that 1 equals 2. Okay? But I'm deceiving in these equations. But it's not trivial to see the deception. It's not trivial to see the deception. Now, this has a few important things. One is that somebody might come and he may be too much philosophical and using all this jargon. You don't necessarily have to deal with that person, because that person might be able to, manipulate things and show 1 equals 2 to you. Then you would have to come and understand the underlying philosophy to be able to refute that person. So that's one thing. Second thing is you have to understand that the way you know that Islam is true is much higher. It has much more soundness, and that is your fitrah, your heart telling you that this makes sense and Islam is the truth. So that's the reason I wanted to show you these 2 slides. So now let's continue. The point was that we're not arguing, we're not using all this logic for the sake of logic. We're using it to wipe out the dust, to clean the rust, and to awaken the natural state of the heart, and to awaken the fitrah.